Welcome to Efficient Tax. Hello, my name is David Gottstein, and I am the President and Chief Investment Officer of the registered investment advisory firm Dynamic Capital Management, Inc. And I'm the inventor of Efficient Tax, a powerful investment tool I developed so that I could better manage my own clients' taxable portfolios. And now I bring it to you. In this short video, I would like to introduce you to the fundamental after-tax investing principles that Efficient Tax embraces. In this video, you're going to learn if current tax efficiency thinking is correct, what value Efficient Tax can deliver to you, how Efficient Tax adds value, and who can benefit from Efficient Tax. By the time the video is over, you will understand the capabilities of Efficient Tax and how it can help you. You will have changed the way you think from the way you were taught to the way you want to think. Before we get started, there are 2 points I need to make. First, Efficient Tax LLC's goal is to guide investors when to realize gains and losses in a manner that achieves higher long-term after-tax wealth, with the potential to add 1 to 2% in after-tax alpha per year. Second, Efficient Tax is a tool to help you make better decisions in the management of taxable portfolios. However, it does not render investment advice. If you want that, you'll want to retain Dynamic Capital Management as a registered investment advisor. With that said, let's get started. First, we are going to start off talking about the current thinking regarding tax efficiency. The American financial services industry has not introduced any major improvements in the management of taxable equity portfolios in over 2 decades. Let's think about that. 2 decades, that's a long time. If we were that stagnant in the technology industry, then we would all still be talking on cell phones too large to fit in our pockets. Currently, after-tax performance is calculated by deducting the amount of tax liability resulting from a realized gain or loss from the before-tax rate of return. This goal seems logical, doesn't it? But let's say you inherited a concentrated position 25 years ago. As it may have risen over time, there is a growing but deferred tax liability that isn't due until it is sold. And let's say you decide to sell it this year and pay the tax. By deducting 25 years of deferred tax liability against a single year stock and dividend performance, it violates 2 key accounting principles. The first is that it doesn't match revenues and expenses. 25 years of accrued tax expense being deducted from 12 months of stock price and dividend performance. The second is it mixes cash and accrual accounting. A cash tax payment on 25 years of profit should be offset against the difference between a cash investment and cash proceeds, not from an accrued change in its price and other unrelated stocks in the year the stock was sold. This approach isn't an accurate measure of how much extra after-tax wealth has been generated in a year that an investor would have on a balance sheet that they could spend, invest, or give away. This is where Efficient Tax comes in. Our company, Efficient Tax LLC, and our product, Efficient Tax Portfolio Optimizer, currently represent the greatest advancements in tax-sensitive equity management since the use of cell phones became popular. Next, we are going to move on to what Efficient Tax can do for you. Efficient Tax LLC has developed and patented a highly advanced taxable equity fundamental cell discipline tool. This analytical tool is delivered through our website or through custom integration. Efficient Tax Portfolio Optimizer guides investors when to realize gains and losses at the tax lot level or across entire portfolios. We have a much more up-to-date goal to maximize after-tax wealth over time instead of simply minimizing taxes in any one year. This more sophisticated approach has the potential to add a 1 to 2% increase in portfolio after-tax alpha per year, depending upon how it is used. Over the long run, this can lead to double-digit increases in after-tax wealth accumulation for an investor. An 8% return reduced 2% each by taxes, and inflation is increased by 25% with just a 1% increase in after-tax returns. Addressing the third topic, we will inform you of the value Efficient Tax has to give. Using our new advancements, Efficient Tax calculates whether each of your stocks has enough forecasted after-tax return potential remaining to be worth keeping relative to alternative investment choices, even after any tax is paid. If not, then sell it and reinvest any after-tax proceeds in a stock or investment discipline that is forecasted to have enough extra return potential required to achieve higher after-tax wealth, even after taxes are paid on the old stock. When an investor is satisfied that a stock's current price, the amount of the after-tax return or alpha forecasted to be achieved through a sale and reinvestment meets a minimum requirement, then a tax lot should be a candidate for sale. If you think about it, it does seem very logical. Why would you keep a stock when another has the potential to make better returns even after paying for the tax from selling the old stock? Making sure you are sensitive to cost basis, tax rates, and time, Efficient Tax can help you determine when to realize gains and losses. Then, very importantly, determine how to optimally allocate losses against gains. This process harvests the hidden value in losses. Our fourth and final topic is who can benefit from what we offer. Efficient Tax LLC offers financial service firms across the industry 3 benefits. First, it is the most comprehensive, rational, and value-added fundamental software tool available to the taxable investing community. Second, it is an affordable, best practices, state-of-the-art technology. Third, it is a scalable software tax selling solution that is available through the web or via custom integration. That is a quick overview of Efficient Tax. Over the past 5 minutes, you have learned if current tax efficiency thinking is correct, what value Efficient Tax can deliver to you, how Efficient Tax adds value, and who can benefit from Efficient Tax. I would like to thank you for watching this introductory video and hope that it has piqued your interest in the new tools available to you. Below is an overview document explaining more about Efficient Tax. Do yourself a favor. Do any customers you might have a favor. Find out more about Efficient Tax Portfolio Optimizer and what it can do for you. Again, thanks for watching and welcome to EfficientTax.com.